Chips Computers and Tech for Techs. Please remember to like and share this video.
Aorus.
Alright, today we're going to be looking at the Gigabyte AC300W case. And to save some time in messing about, I have already taken it out of the box. So I'm just kind of going to unveil it for now. So here we go, the AC300W. And as you can see already, it's a very, very handsome case. Nice side window, so you can see all your components in there. The case form factor is a mid-tower, so you've got pretty good amount of space there. It will support most ATX boards, your minis, your M's, your full ATX. It's all black in color. Has a nice shroud along the bottom to cover up those power supplies that we don't like to see. So kudos for that. The dimensions are 469 high, 211 width, and the depth is 458 millimeters. You have two 5.25 drive bays, so you could use those for two hard drives, and they can also be converted to 2.5 drive bays as well, so you can also use that for your solid state drives. There are three 2.5 drive bays, and they are located behind the motherboard, so they're nice and out of sight. You could potentially run 2 hard drives, 3 solid states, or even 5 solid state drives if you wanted to. There is no place for an optical drive, but most people are not using those anyway, so I can't really fault them for that. The I/O panel, you have one HDMI, USB Type-C, you have one of those, USB 3, there's 2, and you have your audio in and out, supports AC95 and HD audio. Pre-installed are 2 fans, both 120 millimeters. There's one in the rear and one in the front. It will support up to 3 120 millimeter fans or 2 140 millimeters on the front. On top, it will support 2 120s or 2 140s, and the rear only supports the one 120 millimeter fan, but I don't see that being an issue. For your radiator, this will support on the front up to 360 millimeters, the top up to 280 millimeters, and the rear 120. Your power supply type will be your standard ATX, not included of course. And the maximum capabilities of CPU height are 170 millimeters, VGA length 400 millimeters, and PSU length would be 180 millimeters. So it's a very spacious case indeed. So as we spoke about earlier, you've got a full transparent window here, a nice shroud over your power supply, and also this does support liquid cooling, which is bonus points for that. Another thing I like about the case is this nice detachable dust filter. That's very handy, and kudos for thinking ahead on that Gigabyte. Also on the case is RGB Fusion, 16.7 million customizable RGB combinations of lights. I'm liking that. You can also mess about with your board. It supports both vertical and horizontal VGA, so I like that. So you've got that. The logo here, as well as on the front, those both light up too, so you could customize that. I like the fact that Gigabyte planned ahead for both vertical and horizontal VGA installation, so you can really make this case your own. I can't really fault it. It's nice, sturdy built here. It's a steel case, and the window is plastic instead of glass. Kudos to Gigabyte for a case well made. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and share this video.